All right, streams are going. Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society, and good morning, YouTube. It is Monday, January 26th. What a time to be alive. Good morning, Brett. I'm excited to trade with y'all. I'm feeling way better than I was the past like 2 days here. So super happy about that. Yeah, I'm honestly ready to make some monies this morning. We're getting ready to go through the quick little analytics of the market, everything like that real quick for everyone that needs to mark their charts. So the close from Friday, 680.50. 680.50 is the close from Friday. We currently got the 21 EMA sitting at 714 even. And the VWAP, our favorite thing, the VWAP is all the way down there at 638.75. 638.75. And with that being said, we're going to wait for our moves. We're going to stay patient this morning, and we're going to execute. That's all we're going to do. Nothing more, nothing less. No news today. So normally on No News Mondays, it likes to chop a little bit. So be careful. Don't get chopped up. And yeah, with that being said, let's get ready for the markets. We got 9 minutes, less than 9 minutes now for market open.
That's great. Hey, Duane, what was your symptoms, man?
What was my symptoms?
Yeah.
Just congestion. I slept with my fan on my face, and I got congested after that. So like a slight little cold.
No, that's everybody in my house. Everybody in my house was dealing with that too. So I'm wondering if it was like the pollen down from all the heat.
Possibly, because I do have allergies for the pollen down here, so that could be it as well.
I gotta turn off the AC so I could concentrate on the trading today.
Morning, fellas.
Morning,
Hey.
G. Morning, sir.
Yeah. What's up, G?
What's up, Steve?
Let me jump over here and just double check, make sure our quality sounding crispy.
Crispy.
We only want crispy audio for these streams.
We want this stuff to be so crispy.
Yeah, we're sounding good. Good morning, Yevon or Gav. What's up, YouTube? How we feeling today? Good morning, Iz. Hopefully you're staying warm, fam. My shirt guy, they got my dry fits in, so your boy's happy. No more cotton. No more cotton. I got the dry fits officially for myself. So, feels good. But I may have to get a smaller size because your boy, listen, boys, anything's possible when you put your mind to it. From December 26th till yet last night, I dropped 15 pounds.
You mean you dropped a dumbbell on your foot?
Pretty much a 15-pound dumbbell. No, because I'm honestly so dialed in with the trading this year, so dialed in with Legacy as well, where it's not that my workouts have changed. I'm just attacking the workouts differently now.
What?
Because it's all mindset.
You're right. You know, I get that. I know that stuff.
So instead of me just going lackadaisical or driving to the gym, seeing all the cars parked, and I'm like, maybe I don't go today. No, I'm in there now. I don't care if it's a big crowd or not. They're going to watch me work out.
Well,
and that's
it.
it.
You go twice when there's a lot of people, so I'm going to show you.
Yeah, that's cold, Is. Try staying warm, fam. Try staying warm. I'll send you some warm from Florida. We are supposed to get cold, I think, tonight.
It's cooling down. There's going to be like a cooling trend. Just more half-ass bullshit. No, winter needs to go.
Yep. But I'm just thinking of Mexico next month where I'm going to stay warm. Because it ain't going to be cold in Mexico, I'll tell you that. It ain't going to be cold down there. It's going to be hot and muggy. So.
That's funny.
Ready for that one. And just ready for market open. Like this week, straight base hits across all the accounts. I want to get some payouts this week on all my funded accounts. So, and just so everyone realizes, I'm sure some of you know, some already forgot. It's the 26th of January. You only have the rest of this week to start on your mission. Whatever goals you set on the 1st, it's time to start. We're 26 days in, boys. 26 freaking days. So if you have not started pushing, grinding, moving the direction you want to end up in by the end of the year, what are you waiting on? No one's going to do it for you. You have to do it for yourself. And we are all here to support you and to make sure you get there. So today I'm going to poke you, prod you, and push you out your comfort zone so then you can get comfortable being the success you truly want. That's all I got to say, boys. That's all I got to say.
And because I've seen all these people come around, they're like, it's a new year, I quit drinking. And it's just like, America doesn't like a quitter, man. Just stay at it, stay strong, see it through.
Yep. That's all we got to do, see it through. Oh, man, I'm ready to trade. I'm ready to make some money. Yes, I'm trading the Nasdaq. I trade that every single day for the New York session, sir. Welcome. We had solid traders hang out last night. We did over 50 plus hours of watch time on last night's stream. Craziness. Man, I'm like ready for the market open so I can wait the first 15 minutes here.
He's like, I'm ready to get in line and wait 15 minutes. Okay.
It's the only thing that I am excited to wait on. I'll say that.
No, I that and then a tomahawk steak at the Eye.
I'll have to wait in line for that though.
Well, you have to wait once you place your order. It's not like they just have it under the table. Abracadabra.
That'd be kind of crazy. I'd be like,
I don't want it that fresh. Cook it fresh for me, man.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mooser. I changed his name to Mooser, by the way, people. It's no longer Moose, it's Mooser.
I don't think he'd allow me to say that. He'd call me a clown. Hey, no, I'm not a payaso.
What's up, guys? How's your weekend?
It was solid, man. It was solid.
That's good.
Well, let me actually pull up an image for you guys since we got a couple more minutes till market open here.
It's a picture of Duane dancing.
It won't be a picture of me dancing, not this time. Sorry, disappointed if that's what you wanted.
No, it's all right. I don't need to see that.
No one needs to see that, actually.
Alexa, rub Moose's legs.
It turned on every light in my house. Thank you. Thank you. Alexa, turn off entry lights.
Well, for everyone on the vertical stream, since I got 2 streams going on, I'll show you guys first.
Alexa, turn off in the garage.
So me and my girl, we went to a paint place over the weekend for our date night, and I did the bear and that money. You know, we had to do the gold, the green, everything like that. Don't worry on the vertical, horizontal. I'm pulling up the photo for y'all as well so you can check it out. There we go. Okay, let's make
What
that.
am I seeing?
I gotta make it smaller. Hold on. Gotta make it smaller. It's too big.
Like somebody ate a cookie and those are the crumbs.
Man, why is it so big? This is crazy. Like, I'm literally, there we go. So there we go. So me and my girl, we went to a paint place called Abstract Orlando, and you give paint, liquid paint, different things. So I did the bear in the black card. She did the vase because we have a lot of flowers in the house, and the butterfly for our daughter. I'm excited to pick up because the bear's going to be back in the corner over there. So we're going to have a little bear standing behind us, a money bear. So
Oh my goodness.
excited.
You know what it's called? That was there, the claw. The claw. I'm sorry, the claw, not the claw. The claw.
The what?
Market open in 10 minutes.
Claw.
You mean 10 seconds?
10 seconds.
All right, people, market open in 10 seconds. Brett, no, we had to wait 7 days to pick them up because they put a resin on them. All right, market's open.
And tell Moose. Go on, Moose. What were you saying?
They had this thing that I like there. It's like little like doll with big ears.
Okay. You went there before?
No, but you posted it. You posted it.
Oh.
It's one of your pictures.
Yeah. Alrighty. Market's open officially. Let's stay safe. Let's not just jump in.
Hey, Moose, is there a retracement coming?
Not yet.
Well, this looks like a massive candle right here.
I would say it's gonna hit maybe no, not yet. Too strong. See how this one closes.
I feel like a magician right now. I have like paper towels in my pocket so I can blow my nose. And whenever I pull it, more just keeps coming. It's crazy. For all the new people in here, welcome to the streams. Good morning. We're trading the Nasdaq. If you're new here, that's with futures. I do not trade the first 15 minutes of the market open. Why? Because I like the market to settle before I execute a trade. Because we're already risking trading at the end of the day, so why risk even more?
Well, risk it, the biscuit.
Look at that nasty wick. We got that nasty wick right there, boys. Come on, 945. They trying to make some monies today. I just want clean movement today. It doesn't have to be super crazy. Just some clean movement so I could get in and get out today.
I just want to make sure that Big G makes $3,000 on his first trade. That's the reason why I'm here.
G should be working on a payout with his take profit soon.
Yeah, he's in one right now. Otherwise, he would have answered. So he's probably working on that $3,000 as we speak.
And yes, G, this is your track as well. This playlist has your song on it. Figure take it back to July.
I hear it.
Hey, listen, G, I just gave you props, dude.
All right, thanks. Appreciate it, Steve.
Come on, Betsy. Oh, man. So, for the chat, do you guys think it's going up or down today? Up or down today? That's the $1 million question.
I think we're gonna go up.
Up. Oh, I forgot. Mark that on my chart. Man.
Daily's up. The 4 hours bullish. The 1 hour, the last 1 hour, the last 1, 2, 3, 4 1 hours up. They touched the VWAP already.
Touching the VWAP.
Yeah, I totally forgot. I'm marking my chart right now on my trading view over here. Because, well, I did that wrong. Glad I caught that. I forgot to mark my charts for the Friday high and low and all that stuff. I do that every single morning.
Yes, already took out Friday's high.
What's up, Dylan?
What's going on, man?
Another day in paradise, fam.
Yeah, I got a late start at work today, so I actually get to trade at home, not on my damn phone.
Okay. Make that some money, bro. Make that some money. All right, we got a lot of people saying down. We got bullish. All right, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here. I don't care if we go up or down. I just want clean movement to make your boy happy. Let me see where our next pivot is. Yeah, we got a pivot point up there at 837.25. 837.25. So we got a pivot up there and a pivot at 688.75. So we got pivots on both ends of us right now. So let's see where we go. Still, I got 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes till I'm cleared to trade here. So just patient, trying to be as patient as possible. Watching this upward momentum right now. It's like, man, I want to jump in. But I'm going to respect my rules and strategy. And we wait.
We wait. Anticipate.
T trades 100% or T raids. $26,550. That'd be crazy, bro. That'd be a crazy push to go 26,550. We're at 25,000. Like, all right, Brent. From your lips to God's ears.
Hey, well, go on, Brent.
Yeah. Hey, we go there with momentum. I'm there for it.
Everybody's buying a house at the end of the day.
All right, trades. I was trying to like say your name how you had it. You know what I'm saying?
I like T-Ray.
I'm just gonna go without me, man. I can't blame you.
Oh man, no FOMO today. No FOMO today. Mike sounds horrible. It's kind of hot.
No, it's like I'm telling you, on our side, it sounds perfection. So
Well, I'm gonna pull up so listen to what they're listening to so I can see how hot we sounding.
too hot, baby.
Oh, it's not that hot. I'll just pull away just slightly. I may be too close to it this morning. Come on, Betsy. Come on. We're still waiting here. We're waiting. Let's see. Are we going to start building out a bull flag right here?
The bull flag on the one, it looks like possibly on the two. Oh.
Looking like a bull flag right there.
The 2 minute just closed out a doji. Come on, it could have just given a little red.
Copy trades, copy. Come on, Betsy. We're almost there. 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes, Duane, you could take some trades here and make some money with all these glorious people on the chats and streams, and most of all, the Legacy Wealth Society. Go and make some money with the fam today. I'm excited. We're going to have a decent... Let's see. How many points are we at so far for this 15-minute range? Low of the 15 is 704.25. 704.25. So if you do the orb, all that stuff, mark your low at 704.25. That's the low of the 15-minute range currently. Now, I don't really see us possibly going down there right now. So that number should stand.
You're just trying to talk to the market makers about a retracement so we can short the hell out of it. I know you.
I'm just patiently waiting.
Oh, Duane said it won't go down there. Watch this. I'm like, yeah.
Is your name Tim Tyler Trades?
Good morning.
Good morning, David. How you feeling today, fam?
Right, David.
just on the road. On the road right now, just seeing about 7 or 8 rent.
Well, stay safe on the roads, fam. Come on, Betsy. I'm ready to execute. Oh, I may have talked too soon. I said, we're not going back down. We may not go touch that low of the 15. Market makers may try changing something. No, we got that buying pressure right there. No, she wants to go up. Well, there she goes. Yo, this is so hard right now.
510 on that.
Good job, trades. I wait the first 15 minutes, so this is right now painful for my eyes. Watching that momentum push up to that pivot. We got that pivot point up there. Ay, Dios mío. 837.50, 837.50. Yeah, that's not fun, bro. 16 inches of snow. Ew.
Yeah, I had a friend of mine that like lost power for 8 hours up there in that Tennessee area, like East Tennessee, and it like snowed in. But at least in Minneapolis, it's like snowing and stuff, so all those morons like have to burn it.
Yeah, for me, I learned that I can't break my rules because when I break my rules, that's normally when I get messed up in the market.
Wow.
Yep, that wasn't good.
I got out. I'm glad I got out.
Alrighty.
That was a little bit crazy.
Yep, we're going to be patient. We're going to be patient.
That's Shirley Trace. That's Shirley Trace right there.
That was like a shotgun blast for Trace, but like boom.
Yeah, see, I don't like moves like that personally. I don't like that type move.
Moose and I feel like that's proof that we're alive.
I don't like the way that 5-4 is forming.
Yeah.
Where's the 15? Where's my 15? Yeah, the 15 is way too high. Well,
Let's see what we get here. We got a lot of buying pressure still, but I don't like how the market just did that little drop like that for that couple seconds.
The 6-minute candle.
Come on, Betsy.
There goes another wreck.
Oh boy. Stay safe, bro. Stay safe. Let me pull into this desk a little bit more here, because it's almost time to start looking for the entries and exits and everything in between. Looking like a bull flag on the 2-minute. Let me drop it down to the 1 minute, see what the 1 minute's looking like. Three toes. You should have 5, but you got 3. We have not got broken out of the 15-minute range yet. The high of the 15-minute range is 827 currently. But that's, oh, there we go. We just pushed that high to 828.25 now. So we have less than a minute for this full range to be completed. But we're right here. We're right here up at the top. We got that pivot point that I called out as well. 837.25. 837.25.
Let's take my pre-workout. Let me get out of here. 'Cause I get itchy. I get itchy.
Well, the new high now for the 15-minute range is 834. 834 is the high for the 15-minute range. We have less than 3 seconds for it to be fully completed. So there we go. High of the 15-minute range, 834. 834. The low of the 15-minute range is all the way down there at 704.25. 704.25. So mark your charts if you're doing manually. That's what we're looking at for the 15-minute range for today.
And in other news, like Moose is going to be facing a new all-time high once the pre-workout hits.
We got this pivot point right above us here. At this point, I want to see us possibly just reach up and tap it real quick. I want to see if we reject or not.
You know, I think I'm in agreement with that too.
Get my doodles going on the charts. Trades. Yeah, I can see that. We have not broken out of the 15-minute range yet. We came close, but we did not break out yet.
15-minute range.
All right, let's see if we build some structure here for a flaggy flag. I need to see good momentum to jump in. Come on, Betsy. Daddy trying to make some money a day. Just trying to make a couple dollars or a couple thousand, whatever the market gives us. We won't just be disappointed. As long as we're green, we're happy. Come on, Betsy. Let's see. We got a minute 23 left on the 2-minute candle. Want to see a flag print on these higher time frames here. All right. Yeah, I would want to see the bulls start to try pushing here. If I was trying to look for a long play above my yellow line. But we're gonna see what we get here. Patience, people, patience. Hardest part about trading, having patience. I know we all want to just click the button. We all want to. That sounds so good. We all want to click the button.
I want it to be clicked for good, not evil.
No, 100%. That's why we gotta have patience. %, 100% is. I look younger, man. I appreciate it. You know, I've been slightly I've been overcoming like a cold / congestion for the past like 3 days. So I fasted 52 hours to help get the body moving in the right direction again. So maybe that's what you're seeing, slightly rejuvenated, or it's the dry fit self-paid legacy shirt. Who knows? Who knows? Still patiently waiting. Man. No News Mondays. We gotta love them. We have to love No News Mondays. We do have some selling pressure trying to step in, but I'm not trusting it. Your boy is down 15 pounds over the past month. So I'm like, if I could just duplicate that one more time, I'll be set for Mexico. I'll be able to zip line everything and eat while out there. So
I told you, it's not you, it's them.
no, I know that. Trades, I just want to see like a bear flag take us down there. So this would be, since we have a decent little pull right here on the 2 minute, if we break below the yellow line, that'd be the short opportunity. If we break above the top, that's the long. Okay, nice trades. Corey, I'm neither. I'm waiting for one of my moves to play out. I'm not bullish or bearish. I can see the stress. It happens, bro. It happens. No, I'm not dying to eat more in Mexico, but I have to be under 300 pounds to do the zip lines.
I'm gonna starve myself, so I just gorge, baby.
No, so I'm trying to just cut the extra weight off, so I'm below the 300 mark, so I can do certain excursions where I'll rappel down into cenotes and do some cave jumping. All right, let's see. We may get the push here. What was that, Jose? You're breaking up, fam.
What is cave jumping? When you get a second, you gotta tell us, man. What is that?
Yeah, so we're going to be rappelling into cenotes. Those are the caves where the roof fell in. Yeah. And then once we get in, we'll be jumping into the water from like ledges in the cave. Okay, so gotcha. Cave jumping. All right, we're breaking through my top yellow line there.
Is there gonna be? Oh.
All right, there's that pivot point. All right, we broke out of the 15-minute range right there, but we're at the pivot point. So now I want to see how we react here.
They was gonna fill in this wick for the 4 hour at 8:45. I mean, which is only a couple more to go, but
make your money, trades. Go ahead, boy. Good job.
Do it.
So we broke out and instantly we do the retest of the 15-minute range once again. That's normal, folks. Like, it's only like 5 to 10% of the time we don't ever retest the 15 once we break out the first initial breakout. Come on, Betsy. I'm trying to have patience right now. Easier said than done, not gonna lie. Let me get some clicks out the way. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Sorry about that, boys. Had to get that release real quick. Because the tension was building. So I had to click the button, hear that clicky noise. Coming up to this pivot once again. I want to see us get above the pivot so we can build out a flag above it. That would make me happy. Beggars can't be choosers, but...
Well, how about this 2-minute candle closes red and then it goes above?
Possible. Possible. I just need some good momentum. That's all I need right now. Big chart are green. We'll take it. All right, breaking out the 15-minute range right there. Come on, let's get above this pivot. I want to get above this pivot point. I don't want us dancing around this pivot. I want to get above it or below it. Do you say you want mommy? Huh?
I'm looking at the angle on your doodle. Just to see like where you're putting it at.
And what do you mean pivot? So on the chart, you can see this line right here, this blue line up here, not the dark one, the light one. That's a pivot point. That's a resistance zone. And the market loves to tap pivot points. There we go. We're officially above the pivot. All right, let me look. Let's see if we get follow through here. If we get follow through, I'm going to take it. We're still above my yellow line. Did not get the fill I wanted, but let's see if it still plays. Here comes the pivot touch. Don't want to see us dance on the pivot here. Come on, Betsy. That was a nice reaction from touching the pivot.
Yeah, it needs to follow. Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Betsy.
Needs to rise like the temperature in the north. Come on, let's get it.
Rise like the temperature of the north. All right, straight through that pivot. I'm going to close this. Since we lost that pivot like it wasn't even there. Let's see, the bulls need a push or I'm closing.
10 o'clock.
10? Thank you, Steve. I'm not looking at the chat right now, people. I'm in a trade. So when I'm in a trade, I don't look at the chat. So I can just watch the momentum so I know when to get out. So the bears just pushed that right there. I don't like how it did that. Showing that bears are slightly heavy right now. Yeah, I'm getting ready to close this. Don't like the price action right now. And we're back in the 15-minute range as well. Let's go, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. You could do it. Take us higher. I want to go to at least the first target I got on my chart. First target is up there at $8.99. $8.99 for the first target. Bulls having issues right here. Longest trade of my life right now.
Look, I'm tired of you micro scalping on the air. It's not cheating.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Nope.
Do something.
Not a fan of this price action. I honestly just want to close out. But I want to see how this next candle goes on the 2-minute here. That's why I'm still just waiting to see if we get the push here. Back to that pivot once again. I want to see us push off this pivot with solid momentum. We do have selling pressure right here. Just trying to see if the bulls could get through it. Right now they're struggling. Let's see, they may be able to get it right here. There we go. We just cleared some of those wicks there, so we should start moving a little bit more free now. It wants to. The bulls want to push. They just need more momentum. They need more momentum.
Because that wick.
Back to the pivot point. More consolidating. Yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy right now. But I feel like once I close, it's gonna rip. Let's see. Is this gonna be the push with the bulls? So bulls are trying to step in here, but they need more momentum. They need more momentum here. We're just right above this pivot point. Come on, Betsy, do something. Can't believe I'm still in this trade right now. This is craziness.
If it comes down, I see it coming down at 801. I have an EMA there, and then
Okay.
it'll be traced up a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill this here.
So retracement one right here. Boom, up. Yup, there you go. coming
Yeah, I
down.
close. I close. Ah.
Going into 801. I have an EMA right there at 801.
Let's see what the chat's doing. Duane, I think we'll move downside. You win some, you lose some. We just tapped that 21 EMA there as well. Let's see what the chat was saying. Two contracts. I didn't get the fill I wanted on that one, so I still held it. And now we just wait for the next move. But we're also literally going sideways somewhat right now, so. And then watch this. Let's see if we get through this 21 EMA here. We get through this 21, we may start coming on down. Test that middle of the 15-minute range here. We're through the middle. Well, not. We're through that 21 EMA right there. Let's see if we potentially get a flag. A flag would be nice. Nice in Wonder.
Hit 801 exactly.
Yeah, I want to get below that 800. That whole number, those whole numbers. There you go, G. Just broke out of the 15-minute range through the pivot point.
Now it wants to go back up.
Yeah, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Let's see. Yeah, for a long, we gotta get above that pivot. For me, probably clear some of those wicks above the pivot point as well. Right now, we have a little bit of buying pressure. I want to see us push if we're going to push. Right in this area where we were getting stuck at it again.
The chop zone.
Yep. Yeah, tons of selling pressure up here.
candles are all topping off at 840. So if you look at it.
I just want to have another opportunity to get in the markets here, but we gotta get some type of movement.
Well, you see what I mean? On the 5-minute candles, they're all topped at.
Yeah, right around that 840s.
Yeah, so it's like literally, I got my line there, and it's like that's like some serious like resistance right there.
Well, there's the 840 again. Come on, Betsy. Let's push through it. Yeah, tons of selling pressure up here right now. Tons of selling pressure. Let's just be patient. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. Still playing with this pivot point here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I want to at least rotate through some of my other accounts here, but we need some movement. There we go. Good job. That's awesome. Congrats. Making that some monies a day. All right, there we go. We cleared some wicks there. Let me see where our first target is. We got quite a ways to get there. First target is all the way up there at 899. Let's see if we get a little flaggy flag without dropping us back to the 840s.
Yeah. Let's not do that.
Yeah. I just need one red candle. I need one red candle. The next one could be green and take us up.
Does a red candle have to be on like the chart you're looking at, or can you just pick one at random and pretend?
Pick one at random. Well, we won't be pretending. So right here, we're getting a red candle on the 1 minute.
Was that a 1 minute red candle? It's so tight, I can't tell.
Yeah, it's on the 1 minute. Let's see if we push up to the first target.
Come on, Bessie.
Come on, girl.
Come on, keep it going.
720 on that trade right there. We'll take that. We'll add that. Let's rotate to the next account. Let me see which next account I'm gonna be trading here. And it still wants to go. It still wants to go more. Where's it at? We'll do. All right. We have not gotten to the first target yet.
What is the first target?
$8.99. $8.99 is the first target. I would like just a little bit of a pullback. I want another red candle to enter on for a bull flag.
Well, look at you might get your wish.
Come on, Betsy, give us another one. $8.89 would be better. Well, $8.99 is the target, so. We're consolidating right now. We got some buyers trying to step in now. Let's see if we get follow through here. On the 2 minute, we're building a flag. Come on, Betsy. We can do it. We can do it. Want to make some more monies. We got a minute left on this 2 minute candle. I low-key want this one to stay red for the next one to be green and push us. Thirty seconds left on this candle here. Looking at my 2 minute.
Ooh.
10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Buyer stepping in slightly. No, they can't hold it. They can't hold it. Looking at that 5 minute. Oh, my bad. Come on, Betsy. Give us something. Give us something. Looks like we're coming back down to the chop zone. I want to stay away from those 840s. Gotta stay away from those 840s. Yep. You save yourself some money in Wonder. Let's see, is this going to be the play right here? We got to get more momentum. Like right now, it's not a lot of momentum. Well, you could definitely call me D, Natasha. D is okay. I get called D by a lot of people, so that works. All right, so we're coming back down to the chop zone here. Weird to see the market this way. What's weird about it, bro? So we're down here close to this chop area. So at this point, I'm gonna be hands off until we get actual move. We need a solid flag with momentum for me at this point. Okay. Is it okay? Swing trade or not? Bro, if you want to swing trade, you swing trade. I can't tell you. Listen, this is not financial advice, people. I'm just a random guy on the internet that trades live. No, those are Rinkos. Nothing like being in the chop zone, boys and ladies. It definitely makes you appreciate the days when we're flowing good. I recommend whatever you're comfortable with trading it. You know what I'm saying? Like whatever you're comfortable trading, that's how you should trade. What's up, Henry? Welcome back, sir. I feel like I was talking to you like 12 hours ago. It's kind of crazy. Maybe we get a bear flag, take us lower. I'm looking for anything right now, people. I'm doing good, bro. Another day in paradise. Ready to make some more money. So right now we got this 21 EMA right below this candle and the pivot point right below us and the high of the 15-minute range. So we got a lot of stuff in a small area right now. Oh man, this is torture today. We do have FOMC later this week. I believe that's on the 28th. The 28th, so Wednesday. All right, let's see if we get a bear flag here. But even with the bear flag for me, I would want to get through the 21 EMA, the pivot point and the high of the 15 before you even want to touch it, because there's too many things that we can reject off of. Look at it trying to reach. Just trying to reach here. I ain't trusting it. I ain't trusting it. How's everyone doing in the market? Are you up? Are you down? Are you all around? Let me know. How we doing today, folks? Are we winning? Are we losing? Are we flat? Gotta see how check the temperature of the room. Greenish red. Barry, I understand that one, bro. I'm green in one account, red in another. So trust me, I completely understand, sir. Natasha, that means you should walk away. If you're up 4K for the day, 4K will definitely keep the bills away. You should walk away while ahead. CG, that just means you need to work on your strategy, bro. $5 away keeps the thieves away. That is true. $5 would definitely keep the thieves away. Okay. Oh yeah, you're over there in Switzerland. Is this giving us a bear flag here? with how slow the market's moving right now. Pay for me. Like right now, this market's just crawling. Have a good night. Enjoy your dinner. Well, actually, I want to travel to Jersey. I heard you got some good food up there. Because I'm traveling to a new country and say every single month. So next month I'm going to Mexico and then San Antonio. And the vlog from Canada will be posted a week or less from tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoy the first vlog of the year. Times change, do it, bro. You won't be disappointed. We're breaking through my yellow line to the upside here. Corey, are you trading with a prop firm or a personal funded? Because if you're trading personal funded, you should definitely switch over to a prop firm. Who does your production? You or another guy? Born right now, I have a buddy of mine who's going to be editing the vlogs. He does it for a living. So he's going to help me out with editing some of the vlogs right now. But I'm trying to, eventually I want to get someone full-time on salary just to record content and edit, and we get them posted. So once I get monetized at the end of this month, I'm gonna start using the YouTube profits to pay for the full-time editor. That's my goal. My buddies sleep in for a living. I got a couple buddies that do that too, so you're not alone there. Vlad, what's up, bro? Welcome back. Born, where are you tuning in from? You're overseas, right? Or no? Because my issue is I want someone that's local for the most part, so that way they can travel with me when I'm going to these countries and states, and they record so I don't have to. So I can do what I'm good at, and that's talking to y'all, everything like that. And the other person can do what they're good at, shooting the video and editing. Yeah, this market doesn't even have me interested right now, not gonna lie. That's crazy. What if they try to make a move on Brenda? Just saying. Well, Three Toes, I would never bring someone in that would try disrespecting me. So whoever I bring in, I'm trying to keep it someone that I would actually trust being around my family, because not just Brenda's, like I have kids and everything too, right? So whoever I bring in, they're definitely going to be vetted, because I want to make sure my family's going to be safe around them. So like the guy that's editing the Canada vlog, I've known him for the past 9 years. He did my commercials for one of my businesses offline. Corey, it does experience some drawdown sometimes if I jump into a trade too early without momentum. But I recommend, Corey, you definitely trading with like a prop from like Tradeify, Lucid, or Take Profit Trader. It's a better way for you to save capital and not risk as much. So we just got a bear flag right here on this 5 minute, but I'm not excited about it. Like, today's market does not have your boy excited. We got the 21 EMA. There's the 21 EMA tap right there. Let's see how we react on it. I want to see us get through my yellow line. Well, times change. Trade with Tradeify, Lucid, or Take Profit Trader, bro. You won't have that issue with them. Coming down to my yellow line. There's my yellow line. Through the yellow line, through the pivot. That's fine. I don't want to take a trade until we get below the pivot and below the high of the 15-minute range. Like I said, we got a lot of different things in a small area right now. So I either want to get below them so we can keep going lower, or we push higher and then we possibly take a long. Vlad, fam, I'm sorry, bro. Negative 13. No, thank you. I don't want to disrespect anybody in here by saying what the temperature is here, but I'm gonna say it. Let me pull it up here. It's a cold 72 degrees Fahrenheit. 72 degrees here in Florida, where I'm at. So it will get chillier tonight into tomorrow, but nothing negatives, I'll tell you that. If Florida ever went negative anything, best believe Jesus is coming back. Like, that's it. Come on, Betsy. Do something. We're just in this chop zone right now. And we're trying not to get chopped up. Ew. Negative 20. Woo. Up in Canada. No, thank you. I'll keep my 72 degrees. All right, we're below the pivot point. We're below. We'll try and get below. Yeah, lots of consolidation today. We're going sideways right now. All right, let's lose this pivot. We're losing the pivot. I want to get below the high of this 15-minute range for a short here. All right, there's that. We just tapped the low. Well, the high of that 15-minute range. I like the UK weather. Not hot, not cold, just right. Hey, CG, whatever works, bro. I feel bad for some of our brothers and sisters that are in here today because they're freezing. So we tapped that high of the 15-minute range. We did not get below it. And it put us right back in the chop zone. So nothing to do right now, people. Nothing to do. Yeah, this is craziness. Just straight chopping right now. Stay safe, people. Don't be trading this ugly price action right now. It is not worth it, people. It is not worth getting chopped up, blowing accounts, trying to trade the chop. I myself, I suck at trading the chop. That's why I'm hands off right now. I'm real. I'm real. Like, I suck at trading chop. So you know what I do? If it's chopping, I don't trade it. Still holding bullish structure, but we need bullish momentum. We're in a range right now. We're in this range. I put the top of the range at 886.50. In the low of the range right here at the high, 834.50. Until we get below the 834.50 or above 886.50, no trades. Henry, I did not, but I'll check it today. Oh, this is honestly feeling like torture right now. When I start spinning in my chair like this is when I'm just like completely bored with the market. Brett, yes, I do. One real estate agent just actually joined the Legacy Wealth Society. Still chopping, boys. Stay safe, people. Don't just be jump in here. So cheaper by, yeah, it's cheaper by CGI. Hopefully we get some type of move like right after 11. If not, 11:15, I'm jumping off. Because this bad boy is not moving whatsoever. But this is all consolidation. So that's why I hate it, right? Because we know from consolidation, the big move happens. But are we going to keep consolidating? And the move happens like at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock? Or is it going to happen before we jump off the charts here? Ew, disgusting. It rained here today. It did rain today in Florida. But no snow, just some rain. We just cleared some wicks there, but Oh, Three Toes, I know, bro. If you go to Boston, I know what attitudes people got from the cold. I will say when I was in Canada, I only ran into one rude person. That's when we were leaving. Everybody else was extremely pleasant to talk to. Are we gonna finally start breaking out here? A water fountain on the table? Oh, possibly. So we came up, we pretty much tapped at 886 level 50. We are 8 minutes away from 11 o'clock. So keep that in mind, boys. We did not touch 889. We're in chop zone right now. We're literally in the small range. Yeah, I'm not a range trader, so I'm not trading it. Well, there's that. New highs 893.75, 893.75. But not liking this price movement. I had the 899 for my first target here. 899 was my first target that I was looking for. Three Toes, NQ moves pretty well. Like today's just a no news Monday, so it's slow and choppy. Not a crazy big difference. NQ's more volatile than ES. And I like the volatility. Not really, Brett. After this, send out invoices for one of my businesses. Get to the gym today. And that's it. Then we got the traders hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. If it's going to be raining and all that stuff, we'll be tucked in under the covering tonight. Come on, market, do something. We got 6 more minutes for 11 o'clock here. Trader, yeah, Born. So every night of the week, we have the traders hangout at 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We talk about trading, we talk about life, and everything in between. Lap dancers, drinks, no lap dancers, but drinks, I drink some water, so yes. Here comes our first target. We did not touch it. We almost touched the first target. Oh. That shows I haven't. Okay, we're good now. Woo. Haven't touched the computer in so long that it was getting ready to go to sleep. You ain't used to that. Less than 4 minutes now. No, not mad. Because I would have been in drawdown a lot, so I'm not mad about it. In one of my accounts, I put in just over like $740, so there's nothing to be mad about. Took 2 trades today, 1 per account. One account, I went red in. The other account, I was green in. Yeah, always another trade, 100%. I just want better movement. That's all I want. For me, right, I'm willing to risk $1,000 per trade. So for me, I'm able to stay in a little bit longer, since $1,000 on 2 contracts, that's quite a bit of a range that I could work in. But like today, we were never getting the push I wanted. I closed out. A couple minutes later, we started pushing. So what do you mean? I trade on Tradeify. I'm able to do it because I build my accounts up. Awesome time change. Appreciate you, bro. It's not that you have a buffer, but whatever you put in your account, that's your buffer. Market makers, why? Why do you torture us this way? Jamie, just wait on momentum, bro. No momentum, no trade. That's my rule. Even if I see a bull flag or bear flag, if we don't have momentum, there's no trade. That they are. I may actually have to skip the gym today because I'm like right there on the edge of my body, feeling like pretty much 100%. So I don't want to push it when it's not ready yet. How do you determine if there's momentum? The top chart that you can see. That's how I'm determining the momentum on the market. There's 11 o'clock right there. What's up, next stop? I've never looked at Hakanashi, to be real. So, can't tell you about Hakanashi. Ule, what's up, Ule? You keep jumping here from all these different accounts, bro. Yes, 007. But you saw Brett was on it, though. He questioned, Ule? He asked. So Brett already knew, bro. His spidey sense. You're 006. That's funny. All right, it's officially 11 o'clock, boys. Right now, the market's barely moving. I mean, barely moving. Hopefully tomorrow we get a little bit better momentum. Bro, we always got the whole team in here, bro. Come on, Three Toes. There's a reason why we're going to be the biggest channel on YouTube for trading and the biggest private trading community, because we're literally helping people win the markets each and every day. And that's what we're going to be known for. We're not going to be known for all the money we make, because that just comes. We're going to be known for how many people we help. Yeah, right now, Legacy, how you guys feeling, guys? How y'all feeling? Because this market right now is trashy trash today. Okay, Legacy, cool. Everyone's unmute. Everyone's quiet on the Zoom today.
Yeah, I stepped away from the charts. I lost so much today, but I gained a lot more. I just don't want to hit that 1200 stop loss, so I'm
Copy.
stepping away.
Yep, no. Understand that one, bro. Trust me, I understand that one. I took 2 trades a day. One was a loser, one was a $700 winner. That was on 2 separate accounts. I took 1 trade a piece. I've been waiting for another move, but we haven't gotten any. And at this rate, I'll be jumping off here at 11:15 today, because I'm not just going to sit around and watch the market do nothing. Tonight, reminder, folks, for all the new people on the YouTube streams, we got the Traders Hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to talk about trading. We're going to talk about life and everything in between. So make sure you guys tune in to hang out with us, have some fun with us, and just get locked in for this week of trading. Hopefully tomorrow we get better movement. Today was a no news Monday, so we already know what that means. It's going to be slightly choppy and no clear direction of movement. Straight painful. Yeah, this market is literally just sitting here. I feel like I'm looking at overnight session right now. Like, this is how the overnight sessions move, and that's why I don't trade them. Because nothing's worse than looking at your screen to see the price not even moving, and then you think it's your internet, and you just realize there's no volume. Does anyone have any questions? Since the market's not doing anything, does anyone have any questions? Love to answer them for you.
No questions over here, but what I usually do, like in overnights, is I'll put a stop loss for 500, and I'll just set and forget. Either I
Okay.
lose 500, or I win however much I win when I wake up and check it.
Okay. My brother does that. Brett, yes, Rincos are on TradingView. You just have to go to your candles where you could change your candles and select it there. Look at all this consolidation on that chart. All consolidation. All consolidation. Born, I've thought about it, but since I have traders on different levels, probably not going to run a competition in between them because they're all trading different size accounts, everything like that. But September, we will be having a challenge for the Legacy Wealth Society. So excited to do our first challenge for the year.
So far, what do you think that challenge is gonna look like? Just early hype.
I'm still trying to figure it out. I have until February 1st to drop it. So we'll see. It may be like who gets the challenge may be for a payout or something. We'll see. For February.
Yeah, first one with a four-figure payout. It's a T-shirt.
We could do that. Not the biggest payout,
I
Brett.
was thinking a motorcycle.
I bet you were, Nels. I bet you were.
Hey, do you want a motorcycle, man? Just let me know. I got a couple I'm trying to get rid of.
Dave rides motorcycles, so he may hit you.
He I guess you'll give out one of your motorcycles then.
Yeah,
For the
first
challenge.
pay out for $2,500 that gets to pay me. Go ahead and write it off.
I'll bet.
No motorcycle giveaway, Brett.
This must be Asian session.
It feels like the Asian session right now. That's why I'm getting off in 6 minutes because I'm done watching it. But y'all stay on the charts because as soon as I shut down, the markets are going to explode. So the things I do for y'all. Welcome confirms volume of not 20 green candles. The conference, we had to have the flag as well. That's the issue. So we want the flag, then the momentum to push through the top line or bottom line of the flag. And that's the confirmation. We'll follow through.
Yeah, definitely had to learn that. Just being patient and wait for the move. And that always works for sure.
Yep.
Hey, Duane, I have a question.
Yeah.
For the challenge, do everybody have to get like a eval at the same time to get first one get a payout?
We may have to do that just to keep it completely honest.
Yeah, it would be fair if everybody just start at the same time.
Yeah, everyone gets eval, code LWS, shameless plug, and then and then whoever gets the first payout in February, first payout in February.
Okay, let us know when it
Yep.
starts.
So February 1st, you have to get a new eval. And from that eval, whoever gets their first payout in February will get something. Brett
At
says
the
a
end of
shirt.
February,
Someone
right?
said a shirt.
From
So,
February 1st to the end of February?
yep. So you have the full month
Okay.
to pass and get your funding account on that same account.
Okay.
And what we'll do too, to keep it honest, we will screenshot the last like 4 numbers of the eval and we'll put that in the discussion. So that way, when you do get funded, everything like that, we know you didn't like have to reset. Or honestly, I don't care. Whoever gets the payout first in February, that's it. That's it. And I'll teach y'all a secret trick to win, right? Base hits. Because some people may go too big, some people may go too small. You do base hits each day, you'll win the competition.
What do you mean by that? Base hit?
Base hits. So don't swing for the fence. Just lock in like 200, 300 bucks a day.
Mm-hmm.
And you do that and you'll win the challenge.
Okay.
Because most traders fail because they can't stay consistent.
Gotcha.
Base
So-
hits, that's how you win at life.
100%. Jamie, no full port. Born, Tradeify doesn't delay payouts. As long as you have your, in the new select accounts, there is no consistency. You just have to trade it for like the 3 days. Well, the 5 days in the funded, if you do the flex side, or you could do the daily payout.
Hey, D, I'm gonna keep my charts up, but I'm gonna log off and get to doing what I gotta do.
All right, brother. Have a good rest of your day, man.
Yes, sir.
Stay warm. Yeah, this market's literally going nowhere. This is what we call watching paint dry. Any last questions? Because I'm jumping off at 11:15 here. I'm not going to sit around and watch the market just not do anything.
And the paint already dried up.
Jamie, yes, I only trade the NQ. Smooth. I do the select accounts and the growth account, but I'm leaning more to just the select accounts because they're easier than the growth account. Well, boys, tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys come hang out. We got one more question. Last question. Who's in your will? Room for one more. Sorry. There's no more space on the will. Sorry to disappoint. I do the flex, Smooth. I do the flex. I don't personally need daily payouts, so I do the flex for the bigger payouts and the bigger drawdown. Well, guys, I'm logging off. Legacy, it's been a pleasure watching paint dry with y'all today. Stay safe in the markets if you're still going to trade. If not, I will see you guys either on tonight's Traders Hangout or tomorrow morning and trade once again. So, Legacy, definitely stay safe. Be blessed.
All right, see you later.
I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.
All right, guys. You too.
All right. Later. For the YouTube, Brett, the man with the plan.
Hopefully, bro, you have a good day. Ule, DL, Smooth, Jamie, all you guys. I hope everyone on the YouTube stream has a great rest of your day. Stay safe in the markets if you're still trying to trade this horrible price action today. And I hope to see you guys tonight for the 9:30 p.m. Traders Hangout. With that being said, I'll talk to you guys later. Stay safe in the markets, boys. Have a good one.